Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Demons by Imagine Dragons. Now before we start playing this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Our next chord is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Our next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for this song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, and F major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the C major chord. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 And now let's play that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, switch. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Demons. When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold, when your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all and the bloods run stale, I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. And don't get too close, it's dark inside, it's where my demons hide. And at the end of the song, we're just going to ring out on the C major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Demons. And that's how you play Demons by Imagine Dragons. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Ortega Guitars for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.